Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Zinger burger at home. First, take 2 boneless chicken breasts and pound them to about 1/2 inch thickness. Marinate them in a mixture of 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tender and flavorful chicken. Next, let's get that signature crispy coating. Prepare your dredging station with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, seasoned with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Dip each marinated chicken piece into the flour, then into a wet batter, and finally back into the seasoned flour, pressing firmly to create those craggy bits. Fry in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, until golden brown. Now for the essential Zinger sauce and toppings. For the sauce, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well until smooth. Lightly toast your burger buns. Prepare your fresh toppings, including crisp iceberg lettuce, thinly sliced tomatoes, and tangy pickle slices. These fresh elements will perfectly complement the crispy chicken. Finally, let's assemble your delicious Zinger burger. Take your toasted bun halves and spread a generous amount of the Zinger sauce on both sides. Place a layer of fresh lettuce on the bottom bun, followed by your perfectly fried, crispy chicken fillet. Add a few slices of fresh tomato and some tangy pickles. Top with the other bun half, and your homemade Zinger burger is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.